Hi guys, front of the truck, rest of the road. Look, ick, 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 ick. It's not so bad right here at this moment. But, see some of my work there piling? I've been cutting this grass out up through here with the rake. Boom. A rake and hand trimmers, hedge trimmers. But this is the mud hole. Yeah. Can I get a good look at the mud hole? The mud hole has not been my friend. I don't know how well you can really see this, but this is the nightmare problem. People have been turning around here and they didn't care that you don't drive in wet mud. So, skid steer can't even come in until I drain this. And, it is like 12 feet by 60 feet. Yep. 12 feet by 60. I've walked it and measured it, and that's my nightmare. That's not livable. That's got a bad floor, and it needs foundation underneath it. It's tipping. And the barn is its own problems. But I love the nature sounds. Oops. Well, gonna make you dizzy and let you walk and bounce you all around. Ugh. Took a bad clump of grass out right there because it was going to be a problem in the future. I don't even see it. There it is. Ta-dum. There it is right there. Ta-dum. It did not come out easy. It is probably going to be in the line of where I'm going to drain this. There's going to be my drainage ditch. Wherever that hole went. Ah, I can't find it. Coming out of zoom might help. Who knows? Let's see. Boom. Okay, drainage hole, drainage ditch, big puddle. Very big puddle. Yeah. Big puddle in relation to truck. It's a big difference when you start looking at it like that. I got a cup of coffee in one hand, see, so this is like crippling me up, guys, as far as movement. But I'm hoping that, see, like when we look at this drainage ditch that I'm trying to start here, okay, we go down to the hole, we go down here. I have a low-lying area on the other side of this fence that I'm hoping I can drain it into. I don't think it's really showing you the low-lyingness of the area. But under that grass, there seems to be a dip. And I'm thinking there's another one up over there. And if I can do two little teeny tiny like pond areas, like them little small even children's pool like areas, it'd give me somewhere to drain it to, and then I can maybe just dip out of it and use it for gardening. Or drain it on, who knows, I don't know yet what's gonna happen. There's my block, some of it. I had set that first line up because I thought I was gonna have them put some of them there, but they were able to get up in the driveway without doing too much damage to it because it had dried up some. And there's the rest of it. So I've already been out here working. Any place you don't see grass that's up to like your waist or something, because I worked. I let them put a fence up there to protect the wellhead from anybody damaging it. Like, you know, going, oh, whoops, I drove over it, I didn't know. And then I'm going to tell you that from here, where you can see this gate, that's the gate right there, that would close right here off the handicapped access. This was a bear tunnel. You could not walk up this ramp at all. I mean, if you can see, I cut these out to get past here. Yep, that's already my work. Just to get on the ramp. That far. Had to cut more growth out right here. And a lot of numerous upper high things. The whole way I have been making cuts. I can't even find that. There's one. Here's some. Here's some more. But I had to cut my way up the porch. I could not get up here for all the branches. I cut these off. These off. More off. I cut stuff everywhere. This thing was, you could not walk through here at all. It was just a big bear tunnel. And set up me a small area as a work area. This one's a bag of trash. This one's cases of soda. And these other two here are cases of water. Tools, wagon, BS stuff in the tent. And I gotta take a break and go feed chicks. But I guess I could let you see where the chicks are. More water. Some fencing. Fence posts. Wheelbarrow. Tools. There's my ditch tool. And my rake for getting rid of dry grass. Chicken feed in the bucket. Chick starter. Yes, I did that too soon. But there was a reason behind it. I was not sure that Tractor Supply would be selling chicks at a later date. Or even open. Hey guys! How you doing? Are you glad to see me? Let's show you the entranceway. The door, first off, doesn't even open more than that. Let's see, I can't give you a better shot. I'd like to try, but you know, I'm like trying to throw anything out because I'm making changes so fast and they're not getting recorded. So, here's why the door won't open. This is my personal trash bag, one of them. So, yeah. As you can see, ceilings are no good. Ugh. It's not showing you much, sorry about that. Hallway door. Bed and mattress. Nasty, nasty love seat. Which I would really like to get out of here today, but we'll see. Junk on the floors is getting close to knee deep or higher. And the sunken floor that dropped because, as you can see, or maybe not see, there's water coming in. Hey chickies. I don't know if you can see that. I can't get a close up. Because of that, years ago, when we took a stove out, we have this. Yes, guys and gals. That is the missing floor. See, there's the floor height. There is under the trailer. Yep, that's not a window. That's under the trailer. There's a huge hole here. And more garbage everywhere in it. Down the hall is not better. You probably won't be able to see it because there's no lighting. Nothing I can do about that unless I bring a flashlight in from the truck. But yeah. Jeff, I'm on your level. Got trash. Trash I got. Plenty of trash. Yeah. It's a wonder the hallway's walkable at all. I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like stacked. 4 feet deep. It's higher than my knees. And every room is like that. Every room is like it. Somebody told them, and see, I don't know if you can see this. Look. More ceiling damage down the hallway. And there's another extension down there, the door off to the right. That one's totally collapsed, ceiling and floor, and walls gone. All 3 walls, ceiling, floor, gone. Used to be a laundry room, lots of clothing in there. And the chicks, this is their makeshift. Have a dog get in here from across the way and knock the wood off the other day. It is dirty, needs to be clean. We're going to water chicks real quick, and we're not going to clean their dish out because I haven't even used the bathroom. So this is like a as is. We're just going to give emergency water. Because they've been waiting on me this morning. This is emergency water, emergency feed, and then we clean and give them fresh for later. We're going to go back out, but I guess I'll take you through some more of my stuff. The fencing, 8-foot fencing, and push broom is mine. The tripod is mine. There's the tripod. Stuff on the table is mine in Tupperware. Well, large Tupperware bins, plastic totes, or whatever they're called. Look like Tupperware to me. Closet, whoops, which you can't see in, is full of tools. A little storage closet next to the door. Umpteen shovels, different kinds of rakes, you name it. Stuff I bought like an hour after I paid. Whoop, the emergency porta potty, which also has to be cleaned. Ugh. The bathroom emergency pee, because where else are you going to go? Off the steps. Over here, behind this fencing, okay, there's the wellhead. It is zoomed in, so can't do you any better than that, but it's a good, strong, heavy wellhead. And back out here is the creek, probably on the other side of the telephone pole, or the electrical pole. Out there's the creek. So, mobile home doesn't give me a place to live, but it gives me the legality of being able to live on the premises in temporary housing while I upgrade and try to make this livable. The mobile home livable. There's another storage shed out there. It's full of books. As you can see, probably 4 or 5 feet deep. I hear it has a good floor. I can't imagine how they could know that since you can't step inside it or see the floor in any way, shape, or form. And the woman hadn't been here in 3 years. The people who lived here died 10 years ago. And then there's a building I was hoping to use, this one right here. And it needs another foundation under it. The blocks are crooked and the posts that were sunk into the ground in concrete are leaning. So it's not safe to go in, plus the floor is capable of falling through it. It will need a new floor. I figure I'd take the new flooring, take the old flooring and use it for sides on a chicken coop, because it won't have to be strong to be siding for a chicken coop temporarily. And we can get around to that as soon as possible. And might want to clean the inside of that little trailer out. It's not too bad full of stuff. I mean, it's almost already cleaned out. It had running water kitchen sink in it at some time. So I can see the pipes underneath it. Not use it as like a little potting room or something like that. I don't know yet. I think it has been before used like that. But I may be able to use it for like tool storage or whatever. I don't know yet. We'll see. I mean, it has a bed that can be used as a shelf. It has table and chairs to give you a place to sit down for a second. And it has a sink. Hey man, you know what? And a little bit of shelving here and there. So it's like, it might be kind of handy. It's a little workroom. The barn, I'm probably going to have to go because I'm about to start my second cup of coffee and nature might be needing me to make a visit to nature. I might got to fertilize the property somewhere. Don't know yet, but I don't want any emergencies hitting me. Okay, back over when we go back in. Gotta avoid the hole where we're falling through the floor from the deck to the emergency just in case potty. Toilet paper reserve because, hey, you know, life is rough, guys. It's rough. Here's the kitchen. See what I'm showing you? Okay, there we go. Dishes and junk. Dishes and junk. Dishes and junk. They said you should see it first. I didn't need to see it. I've seen Jeff's place. Not just Jeff, but you know, I've seen plenty of places. And one thing they all have in common is trash. At least in my price range. You know, I suppose, you know, it'd be turnkey if you were spending $300,000 for a piece of property, but not exactly in my budget, y'all. This is in the dead poverty budget. Oh yes, it does come with living residents. There are people that still live here, or creatures that still live here. Oh yeah. And they were out in force yesterday. They were so busy having their spring flings, they were sometimes miscalculating and running into us. I'm trying to show you the other hives. But, you know, watch this, whatever. But I give up on that. Under the counters! As if you couldn't guess. As if you couldn't guess. Oh yeah. There might be a new box of trash bags over there. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah. Well, can't clean any. I mean, there's probably some stuff here I could clean up and use. But it's like there's no water. No electric, no water. The Mickey Mouse clock. You know, I'll keep the little wind chime thing. I think that's nice. This is where the kitchen stove used to be before somebody stole it, and this is where the refrigerator is because they couldn't get it out the door to steal it. Yeah, the door, actually the kitchen door, is right here off the porch because this is where you should keep a kitchen door. Actually, it was originally across the stairs here so that nobody could use it. The stairs. Okay, back through. Chicks are waiting on me. They would really like some food. So I'm going to take a chair outside and kick you guys offline. Watch out, Draco camera, phone doors. Okay. Yeah. Door. Well. I don't know if you can see or not see. We're going to set the camera down and find out. This is the coffee station, man. This is the I'm not awake yet and it's pouring rain coffee station. And more tools. And yes, that yellow handled one is what I'm cutting grass with. The other one is a tree limb cutter. Yeah. Well, I don't know if you'll be able to see what I'm going to be doing or not. But I'm going to try and let you see. I don't know what that's filming. I'm trying. I don't know if you can be seeing me. So I'm going to turn it and we'll find out in a moment. get where the lid is in there. Never mind. Can you see me? No. We ain't seeing crap. Sorry about that, guys. I would have thought you could have seen this. Well, I guess you'll see some of it. Ta-da, the water cup. Where is it? Water cup. Dun, 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 dun. Feed bag. Almost got you on video. Almost. We're close. Well, this is just a starter snack. Gotta give them a morning snack. You can't see in there with me. We'll give you a try. Let's see. Guess you can see me a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Little guys and gals and what have you. Don't do that. Workers. I guess I got some roosters. Man, they attacked me this morning. I think they might be just a little on the hungry side. That's the first time they've done that to me. They apparently are not happy campers this morning. Yeah. So the company came yesterday. That was supposed to be clean the chicken coop day. Right. Did that happen? No. Am I regretting it? Hell yes. Very bad. Very bad, very bad. Ugh. Well, I tell you, we're going to have this great active day, but we'll see about that. I'm going to have to turn this off and be right back because it's the time of